Renault has taken the wraps off an updated version of the Twingo E-Tech electric concept at a recent European event. This latest iteration hints at the production model slated to launch next year, with an attractive price point of under $20,500. Building upon the design of last year's concept, the updated version introduces fresh elements that signal its readiness for the market. The Twingo E-Tech concept showcases a series of exterior enhancements. The front features new 3D printed bumpers with a honeycomb pattern, providing a modern and distinctive look. These are complemented by redesigned air intakes with a more angular, squared-off shape, giving the car a sharper appearance. Moving along the sides, production-style mirrors and door handles are now in place, signaling a shift towards the final production design. Updated fender flares and newly styled taillights further refine the rear, adding to the car's contemporary aesthetic. Inside, Renault introduces a minimalist yet practical cabin. The driver's seat is equipped with a 3-spoke steering wheel and a 7-inch digital instrument panel, providing essential driving information in a sleek format. To the right, a floating 10.1-inch infotainment display offers easy access to multimedia and navigation. Practicality is key, with dedicated climate controls and body color trim adding a cohesive touch to the interior. The floor is covered in tinted cork, and numerous storage options are thoughtfully incorporated throughout the cabin. The upholstery is a standout feature, with vibrant patterns inspired by the original Twingo, bringing a playful nod to the car's heritage. The rear bench is split-folding and adjustable, allowing for flexible cargo space or additional legroom as needed. The production version of the Twingo E-Tech electric concept is expected to hit the market next year, with pricing set to be under €20,000, making it a competitive option in the electric vehicle market.